Every FPV guide tells you to buy $20 simulators before you even buy a drone. What if you just don't want to? What if you want to try FPV for absolutely free? I searched the entire Play Store to find out if that's even possible. Here's the truth about free Android FPV simulators in 2026. Alright, let's look at the first one. FPV Freerider Demo. Now this is free because it's a demo version. It gets the job done. You plug in your controller, you fly, and that's it. No rate changes, no camera angle, nothing. But what if I say I have a better simulator than this? FPV.Skydive, famous for its graphics and physics. Here you can actually change your camera angle, rates, and resolution for low-end devices. Look at the physics. It looks real. But I found one more simulator which have one great feature which no other free simulator provides. Feel FPV. It gives you insane control. You can tune weight, thrust, everything. The graphics and physics are great when set right. The one feature which makes this simulator different from other is online multiplayer. You can race real people online and practice for real. This is one I personally use and recommend. So there you have it. You don't need to spend money to start. You have got 3 incredible free options right on your phone. After trying them all, the one which gives you the most is Feel FPV. The multiplayer alone is worth it. Just getting there and fly. Crash, learn, repeat. It's all ready for you. Time to go try it.